Hey, Felix here with 4x4 Agent, getting the Jeep tinted today. So let's take a look at it one last time. So there it is, as currently from the factory. I think I'm gonna go 20s all the way around, and then in the windshield I'm gonna do 50. So we'll see. And then also they're going to put the protective film here. So we're at DJ Custom Window Tints in St. Augustine, very highly rated. We'll see how they do, and I'll give you my feedback, and then we'll see if they'll let us film any of this. Racing Optics is an American company started back in 1999. They are born out of racing. The product is made in the United States. They make windshield and visor protection for the racing industry. They're also one of the only contractors who have a deal with the U.S. military to provide optical protection. Additionally, they are partnered with Mopar, so you can actually walk into your dealership and order this and have your dealer install it. The screen protector, quote unquote, runs about $200. They have specials going on. I got mine for like $180 something, I believe, on sale. But it's multi-layered, and it will protect your windshield from cracks and chips, and as it gets damaged you can peel off layer by layer, so it will last. So that's what I wanted to show you and recommend it. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions and subscribe.